Okay, now let us get into this evidence. And with this evidence, it will show you the time and season we are living in. It will show you what is happening in the West. It will show you why I keep telling people not to vote. America, stop voting. Right? You are voting for these people to destroy your families. You're voting for them to bring in policies, laws, agendas that destroy your way of life. Now, let us get into this evidence because we don't want you to say we're making stuff up or we're stirring the pot, right? It's unbelievable. Now, this evidence is coming from the Daily Mail, the 2nd of February 2024. New York father loses legal battle to stop his 8-year-old from taking puberty blockers to change gender. Why? At 8 years old, why? Why would you want to change his gender at 8 years old? What's the rush? That's the question. What's the rush? Why don't you allow these children to grow up and then make the decision? Why do you want to make life-changing decision at such a young age? Let us get into the evidence. New York family court officials have denied a father the legal right to stop his 8-year-old son taking life-changing hormones that would begin his medical transition to a girl. The family court, have denied the father, right? And time after time when I get these cases, I notice the court is always siding with the parent that want to transition the child. Now, I think the court is supposed to be there to split the justice, right? Now, if you have a situation where one parent wants to transition and one don't, the best decision is to meet in the middle. Let us wait and meet again and see how the child feels, right? Let us work through this. No, the court side with the parent that want to transition the child. It shows you what the government is all about. It shows you what these powers is about. It's all about destroying the family. It's all about destroying masculinity. It's all about bringing your children to Moloch. Let us continue. The father, 32, Dennis Hannan, a software engineer from Buffalo, he has been fighting for 7 years to retain his fundamental parental rights, which the courts have taken away. He claimed that the boy's mother pushed their child's transition and says the boy himself would not distress about living as a boy. What's more, a year after the court's ruling, the young child Matthew reverted back to his original male gender and is now a regular little boy. However, the father has lost any say in medical decisions about his son and sees him for just a few hours every week. And that is so unfair. Why would you want to disregard another parent's right for the other? And we see this happening time and time again. The court is always siding with the parent that want to transition the child. Why? Why can't they meet in the middle? That is what the court is there for. If there's a disagreement with the parents, one want to transition, the other don't, then we need to meet in the middle and try and work something out. How about allowing the child to grow up and then we make the decision? What's the rush? What's the rush? And then these are the people who actually think we can go and fight a war with Russia. They are destroying masculinity. They are destroying the family, right? Bit by bit. America, do not vote. You keep voting left, right, right, left, right, left. You're getting the same decisions. These people, they are not representing your best interest. It's obvious, right? Case after case after case, we keep seeing them looking to destroy our young men, looking to destroy them. What will be left of the West when we continue on this dangerous path? This is child abuse, right? This is child abuse. Clear-cut child abuse, right? And it's full time. America, you need to stand up, right? Because they're destroying the men, the future of your country. What's going to happen? It's a complete setup from the top to the bottom. America, they are setting you up on so many levels. We really need to pray and understand we wrestle not with flesh and blood. Wickedness in high places, and they are coming after our children. Men, women, be very careful of those you call your partners. Be very careful of people you have children with. Right? We need to pray and say, glory be to the Most High.